Alright guys, what's happening? So my girlfriend watched this trailer of Vidyut film Khuda Hafiz and complained about how I don't love her as much as Sameer loves Nargis. Well, now I have to take the all or nothing for love challenge. So, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? She said Sameer bought against all the odds to save his love. Well, you know what I'm saying? I've done this. It's been ages I have made something for her. So I think I'm going to be cooking for her. Let's do it. Alright guys, so this is how far I came to prove my love. Don't judge. How far will you go for your love? Well, if you see, Sameer और मुझ में ज़्यादा difference नहीं है. Body है, you know what I'm saying? Action है, भर के है, romance obviously है, पर थोड़ा सा वो जल गया. Let's see what else he got on 14 August only on Disney plus Hotstar VIP. खुदा हाफिज.